Hi everyone, welcome back to my Almost DIY channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace the engine oil on Kia Rio 2019 vehicle. It is very simple, affordable and you can do at home. Let's get started. Here are the tools and items we need today. 17mm ratchet, small funnel, oil filter plier, oil filter Z436 oil filter and engine oil 5 liters.
First of all, we have to hoist the vehicle, place the car jack stand on the left and right side. Safety is very important every day, and I always remind you, never go under the car without proper support. This is the correct place to put the jack, so I am fixing the car jack like this, and then I will place it on the other side as well. Now let's get under the car. Here we can clearly see the oil filter, the white colored one. When we fix the oil filter again, we always have to consider the rubber gasket. It shouldn't be too tight, otherwise it may cause an oil leak. This is oil sump and the drain bolt. We can remove this bolt using 17mm ratchet. It can be very tight at the beginning. After loosening the bolt, we have to release it slowly. Make sure you have an oil pan under the oil sump. Let the old oil drain into the pan. You can see the oil is black in color. It means the oil has expired and there may be a lot of metallic parts inside. Once all the oil is drained into the pan, we can remove the oil filter using proper tool. It is easy to loosen the oil filter because it shouldn't be too tight, too much. Just like this, we can remove the oil filter and drain the oil from it. If you are doing oil change after a long trip, please be careful. The engine oil may be very hot and can burn your hands. After removing both oil filter and the oil drain bolt, we should clean the area around them. Proper cleaning helps us check for leaks after the job is done. Now we are going to apply thin layer of new oil, rubber gasket of our new oil filter. Use hand might tighten the oil filter. I do not use oil filter pliers for the tighten because handy tight is enough. Now I tighten the oil drain bolt using 70mm ratchet. is the oil capacity I marked earlier. We need 3.5 liters for this car. Now I am filling the engine with the new oil through the oil filling point. You must carefully watch the mark on the oil can. After filling 3 liters, we need to pour the rest slowly. Now we check the engine oil level using the dipstick. In my case, the oil level is perfect. Now my work is about 98% finished. Finally, we need to check for any oil leak after starting the engine. I started the engine, so I am checking under the car for leak. It looks like there are no leaks under the car, which means my DIY work is 100% successful, and it only cost me $125. If I went to a service station, they would charge about $250 for same simple job. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel.